Installing the repeater. If the distance between the GRIDSMART camera and the traffic cabinet is greater than 300 feet, then a repeater is required to ensure optimal performance of your GRIDSMART system. A maximum of 2 repeaters can be used between the camera and the traffic cabinet, making the maximum distance 900 feet. The repeater is provided with shielded RJ45 connectors, which must be utilized to connect the drain wire through the repeater. To begin, remove the repeater cap and loosen the cord grip. Push unterminated cable through the cord grip and into the cap. It's important to note you should not tighten the cord grip until the very end. Terminate the cable with a shielded RJ45 and connect to the RJ45 receptacle. Tighten the repeater cap by hand until fully closed. The cord grip can now be tightened using a wrench to 20 inch-pounds max torque. Repeat this process for the other end of the repeater. For disassembly, you must loosen the cord grip before loosening the cap, or you'll break the repeater RJ45 receptacle. If you open a cord grip and intend to reuse it, you must re-terminate the cable. This is to ensure a proper seal, as the cord grip cannot be tightened down on the same part of the cable. If 2 repeaters are necessary, the install process is the same for the second device.